In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on LinkedIn. If you previously blocked a member on LinkedIn and now want to reverse that decision, the process is pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path inside your LinkedIn settings so you can quickly find your blocked list and remove someone from it. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your main feed. This is the home screen where you normally see posts, updates, and activity from your network. Starting from the feed makes it easy to navigate to your account controls. Once you're on the feed page, look toward the top of the screen and click on Me. This opens the account menu connected to your profile. It's the place where LinkedIn keeps access to your profile options, account settings, and privacy controls. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the area where LinkedIn stores all of your account preferences. If you ever need to adjust profile visibility, sign-in settings, or privacy options, this is the section you'll usually come back to. After that, find and click on Visibility. The Visibility section controls how other people see your profile and how certain privacy-related features are managed. Since blocking affects how members can interact with you and view you, that setting is located here. Next, click on Blocked Members. This opens the list of people you've blocked on LinkedIn. If you've blocked more than one person, you'll be able to review the full list here before making any changes. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct person, especially if several names look similar. When you find the person you want to restore access to, click Unblock. LinkedIn may ask you to confirm the action depending on the version of the interface you're using. Once you complete that step, the person will be removed from your blocked list. One important thing to keep in mind is that unblocking someone does not automatically reconnect you with them. It simply removes the block. If you want to interact again, you may need to visit their profile or send a new connection request depending on your relationship on LinkedIn. And that's it. That's how to unblock someone on LinkedIn using your account settings. If you're following along, just move through the menu carefully and you should have it done in less than a minute.